सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शुद्ध विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतं तत्र पंचाशदुत्तर त्रिशततमी कक्षा 356th क्लास टुडे। गतकक्षायां वयं 98तमः श्लोकः अस्माभिः पठितः। वयं पठितवन्तः 98तमं श्लोकम्। एतेन श्लोकेन सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः तत्र प्रायः त्रयः एव सन्ति। त्रयः श्लोकाः सन्ति। त्रिषु श्लोकेषु एकः अपि न पठितः गतकक्षायाम्। अद्य वयं सम्बद्धान् श्लोकान् पठित्वा अग्रे सरामः। श्रीनिवास पठ्यताम्। वहेदमित्रम् इति।
वहेदमित्रं स्कन्धेन यावत् कालस्य पर्ययः ततः प्रत्यागते काले भिन्द्यात् घटमिवाश्मनि। महाभारत आदिपर्व। आनुशासनिक पर्व। पदच्छेदं करोतु। वहेत् विधिलिङ्ग् अमित्रम् स्कन्धेन यावत् कालस्य पर्ययः ततः प्रत्यागते काले विन्द्यात् घटमिव
अश्मनि। घटम इव अश्मनि। घटमिव इति जस्ट अ सिंपल जॉइनिंग। इव प्लस अश्मनि इवाश्मनि। Yeah. Now, sorry, this cold is not leaving us. Anvayartha would be अमित्रं यावत् कालस्य पर्ययः नागतः भवति। यावत् कालस्य पर्ययः न भवति अथवा कालस्य पर्ययः नाम अन्तः। कालस्य पर्ययः पर्याय शब्द पर्ययः पर्यायः both are same. Here पर्यय is there. lapse of time इति कथयामः वयम् आङ्ग्लभाषायां। काल पर्ययः कालस्य पर्ययः। यावत् कालं कालस्य पर्ययः न भवति तावत् कालं स्कन्धेन अमित्रं वहेत्। अमित्रं नाम शत्रुं तावत् कालपर्यन्तं वहेत्। कियत् कालपर्यन्तं? यावत् कालस्य पर्ययः न आगच्छति, न भवति। कालस्य अन्तः न भवति। सम्यक् कालः न आगच्छति। सम्यक् काल अप्राप्तौ किमपि शत्रुविषये न करणीयमिति। काले प्राप्ते सति शत्रुं नाशयेत्। अकाले न किमपि कुर्यात्। यदि न किमपि कुर्यात् तर्हि कियत् कालं सोढव्यम्? कियत् कालपर्यन्तं शत्रुः सोढव्यः? How long should he be borne with, tolerated with? यावत् कालस्य पर्ययः न भवति। यावत् सम्यक् कालस्य पर्ययः अन्तः न भवति तावत् कालपर्ययः। समये आगते सति द्वितीय। ततः प्रत्यागते काले सम्यक् काले प्रत्यागते सति सति प्रयोग सति सप्तमी किं कुर्यात्? भिन्द्यात् घटमिव अश्मनि। अश्मनि शिलायां घटमिव भिन्द्यात् शत्रुम्। शिलायां शत्रुं घटमिव शत्रुं मारयेत् इति। भिन्द्यात् घटविषये भिन्द्यात् घट भेदनं भवति, शत्रोः मारणं भवति। शत्रुं मारयेत् इति अमित्रं मारयेत् प्रत्यागते काले काल समयासन्ने आसन्ने समये सम्यक् समये आसन्ने सति प्राप्ते सति शत्रुं विनाशयेत् कथं प्रकारेण घटम अश्मनि शिलायां यथा घटम भिन्दन्ति जनाः तद्वत् घटम अश्मनि घटमिव शत्रुं प्रत्यागते काले नाशयेत् इति शत्रुमपि भिन्द्यात् यू शुड ब्रेक भिन्द्यात् नाशयेत् इति मारयेत्. So that is what you put up with the enemy so long as the time does not expire. On the expiration end of the time, when the proper time comes, when one bad time goes off, good time sets in. Pratyagate kales samyak kalah pratyagate sati shatrum ghatamiva bhindyat yatha ghataha अश्मनि भिद्यति तद्वत् अयं शत्रुः अयं एतद् अमित्रं तत्र नाशयेत् इति सारः. Is it okay? Bhindyat iti we have studied this verb binda has come several times earlier. Binda to break. Breaking in the case of ghata. Ghata vishaye vedanam. Shatru vishaye nashanam. Is it okay?
Yes.
So what are the other things? Tataha is an avya yavat. You have to imagine till. Yavat means till. Yavat kalasya pariyaya na bhavati. Yavat kalasya pariyaya na bhavati. Tavat vahet mitram skandena. You should bear him on your shoulder. They say na shoulder. Yeah, we go to next. Now look at this word Ashmani. Ashman Shabda is नकारंत अश्मन नपुंसकलिंग अश्मनि सप्तमी एकवचन अश्मनि पुल्लिंग is also there. I think ashmaha shabda ashme but ashmani is most proper. Ashmani नाम शिलायाम शैली. If you take शैली घटमेव भिन्द्यात् is विधिलिंग प्रत्यागते that is okay. Next Bhida, that is dhatu is bhida, bhinatti, yes, bhinatti, vintaha, bhidanti, that is bhida to break. Ghatam, I think we have studied that bhida dhatu. Ghatam vinyat. There is one famous poem, how to become a popular person instantaneously. Everybody wants to be popular, na? So how to do that? Ghatam bhindyat, patam chindyat. Ghatam same. Ghatam bhindyat, patam vastram chindyat. Vastram chindyat. Kuryat rasabha niswanam. Gardava niswanam. Swaram kuryat. Gardava swaram kuryat. गर्दभस्य स्वरः इव स्वरः करणीयः. येन केन उपायेन प्रसिद्धः पुरुषो भवेत्. येन केन उपायेन by somehow or other, whatever means you adopt. Some are given examples. पुरुष प्रसिद्धः पुरुषः भवेत्. पुरुषो प्रसिद्धः भवेत्. Purushaha prasiddha bhavet. Man should become popular. What should he do? Ghatam bhindyat. One should go and break a pot in public. Then public attention will be there. Cameraman will be there. Say, oh, today in so and so, downtown, a man broke a big pot. Then news flash news. Or if somebody tears off his clothes publicly, patam nama vastram chindyat. Chida dhatu. To cut or tear off. Either you break a pot or you tear your clothes publicly. Understood? Publicly understood. Kuryat rasabha nisvan. Or one should bray like a donkey. Big voice you create. You shout at the pitch of your voice, then all people will be looking at you. That's only an example. Yenakena prakarena. You adopt whatever method you wish. So that is there. Bhindyat means that. Next, you can take the second point.
Yeah.
Samna.
Samna danena bhedena samastai rathava pruthak vijetum prayatetarim na yudhena kadachana.
Manusmriti, yeah. Samna, you do it.
Samna danena bhedena no sandhi samastaihi athava pruthak.
There Visarga Sandhi is there. Samastaihi athava pruthak.
Vijetum
Prayateta. Areen.
Na yudhena kadachana.
So Manu has a different opinion here, how to win over an enemy. How should Kathamba Shatruhu Jetavyaha Amitram Kathamba Jetavyam. Atra Bhinna Matam Asti Manoho Matam Bhinam Asti Samna Tatra Upayaha Santi na Samadana Bheda Dandopayaha iti Chatvaraha Upayaha Santi. There are 4 methods of dealing with enemy. Talked of, spoken in our Niti Shastra or Raja Niti Shastra. Saman. Saman, that is. Samna, Trutiya, this is Saman Shabda. Like Naman Shabda we have studied. Nama, Namani, Namani. Nama, Namani, Namani. This is Napumsakalinga. Namna, Aham Namna Narasingaravaha. Bhavan Namna Srinivasaha. Namna. Evam Samna. By Sama. By Sama means by consideration, negotiation. Sama is negotiation. You know, conflict should be avoided. That is the purpose. War should be avoided. Like we often have the situation with our neighboring country. You know which country I am talking about. So we frequently get into dialogue to sort out any misunderstanding between neighboring countries. So Saman is that. Samna means consideration, negotiation. Samna, either by Sama, consideration, negotiation. Danina. What is Dana? Sorry, Dana means, okay, you give in turn something. It could be bribery also, Dana. Dana could be bribery or compensation. Okay, there is a dispute. I give you this much. You keep quiet. Isn't it? Better, when there is a conflict, you have to give out something to resolve the issue. So that is Dana. Dana is giving literally. Dana, you know Dana. It could be also in a conflict, it could be a bribery also. Doesn't matter, you bribe some people to get the issue solved. Either through negotiation or through giving out money, whatever it is, dana. Bheda. Then Bheda is another upaya, what is called, you bring a separation among your enemies. Make them weak. We have a British policy in India, they say, what is that? Divide and rule. That is Bheda. Bheda upaya. Bheda is separation. You bring about separation. If there are you are facing some enemies, then you separate them first. Then they will become weak. You can win over. That is Bheda upaya. And then what is the next one? Samastaihi athava. Samadana Bheda Danda. Danda is not there. Danda is not speaking here. When all the 3 upayas fail, Samadana and Bheda, so only then the Rajaniti says that you resort to Dandopaya. Danda means punishment, attack. Now if the enemy doesn't heed to care for Sama, care for Dana, if it doesn't come to compromise, terms of compromise, then attack is the only way left. Danda, finally danda. Danda means punishment, attack. So open war with the enemy. But here he is avoiding that. In order to avoid the dandopaya, he is giving some other upaya. Samastaihi athava prutak. Etaihi tribihi upayaihi. Etaihi samastaihi tribihi upayaihi athava prutak prutak ekenekenapi. Either you employ these three together or separately you employ. You talk first, try to negotiate, try to bribe, try to separate them, or use all the three methods. Samakale tribihi upayaihi api yadyapi kinchit karaniyam asti kriyatam. Okay. Vijetum prayateta. Vijetum jetum. Jetum to win over. Vijetum prayateta. One should try. Yata dhatu. Yata. Prayatnam kuryatiti. Prayateta nama prayatnam kuryat. Jetum vijetum parajetum prayateta prayatnam kuryat. Yateta. This is actually yata dhatu, Srinivas. Yata. Atmanipad. Yatate, yatete, yatante. Yatase, yatese, yatatse, yatethe, yatadhve. Yate. Aham yate. Aham Sanskritam sikshitam yate. I am trying to learn Sanskrit. Yate. With pra upasarga. Prayate. A verb which is very important also, and from which you get the noun yatnaha. Yatna, effort. Prayatnaha also is there. And the Shatru Pratyayanta usage, you should, beautiful poems are there in the Bhagavad Gita study. Yatato hyapi kaunteya purushasya vipaschitaha indriyani pramathini haranti prasabham manaha. So, second chapter, I think, Gita. Yatataha api. Even if of a man who is trying to control his mind. So there this yata dhatu is used. Yatataha, yatamanaha, yatamanasya iti. Okay, come back here. Vijetum prayateta prayatnam kuryat arin, arishabda, arihi, shatrun na yuddhena kadachana. Yuddhena na kadachana atra vijetum prayateta. Yuddhena shatrum vijetum parajetum na prayateta kadachana. Never you try to win over your enemy by war. This is totally different to the dandopaya. You adopt all the three methods or separate, try separately each one, or use all them samastaihi va prutak va. Parantu shatrum na yuddhena kadachit vijetum prayateta. That is common use. One should not try to win over the enemy by battle or war. Well, that is one opinion. That is only an opinion. That may not be practical or may not be liked by people. So that is it, Srinivas. Anything more here? Samadana bheda samastaihi athava prutak vijetum parajetum jetum prayateta arin shatrunna yuddhena kadachana. Fine. Sevaya. This is three-lined. One line is more given here. Shukraniti.
Sevaya va vanikritya ripurashtram vimrushyacha. Vimrushyacha. Datta bhayam savadhano व्यसनासक्त चेतसम मार्जार लुब्धकवत् संतिष्ठन् नाशयेदरिम. Yes. Padacheda Shukraniti. Sevaya va
वणिक् वृत्त्या 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 वणिक् वृत्त्या वणिजः वृत्त्या वणिक् वृत्त्या
रिपुराष्ट्रम
रिपु that is रिपोः राष्ट्रम रिपोः राष्ट्रम रिपुराष्ट्रम रिपुराष्ट्रम नाम शत्रुराष्ट्रम रिपु नाम शत्रु विमृश्य च दत्त अभयम यस सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि
सावधानः व्यसन आसक्त चेतसम्
यस व्यसन आसक्त चेतसम व्यसनासक्त चेतसम व्यसने आसक्त चेतसम व्यसनासक्त चेतसम विल एक्सप्लेन दैट लुब्धकवत् संतिष्ठन् संतिष्ठन् नाशयेत् अरिम् अन्ते अंतपदम् अरिम् इति अस्ति अन्ते वर्तमानः शब्दः अरिशब्दः अरिम् शत्रुम् नाशयेत् मारयेत् उन्मूलयेत् कथम् एवं सेवया वा वणिक्वृत्त्या रिपुराष्ट्रम् विमृश्य च रिपुराष्ट्रम् शत्रोः राष्ट्रम् देशम् विमृश्य परीक्ष्य सुपरीक्ष्य विमृश्य नाम परीक्ष्य having first examined the country of the enemy रिपुराष्ट्रम् शत्रोः राष्ट्रम् देशम् विमृश्य सम्यक्तया परिशील्य परीक्ष्य how sevaya either you conduct a survey, examine your enemy's country by rendering some service, sevaya, or by vanik vritya, or by doing some business. What a wonderful poem which is applicable to India. The Britishers, what is that company? East India Company came to India in the name of Vanikvritti. They came to do business and they put a cap on our heads. Maybe they studied before this. Sevaya va Vanikvrittya. What is Sevaya, you tell me? What is applicable? I will not explicitly talk about this on the video class. Seva is wanting to do some service, human service. You know, there are organizations, how they, in the name of service to human beings, also preach some religion and convert people. You understand?
Yes, sir.
That is Seva Bhava. See, strategies. Sevaya va Vanik Vrittya va Ripu Rashtam Shatroh Rashtam Vimrushya Samyak Parikshya. Next line. Datta Abhayam. Datta Dattam Abhayam. Datta Abhayam. Dattam Abhayam. Yasya kasyapi. Vishayi. Having given assurance. Give an assurance to the country where you are going to attack. To your enemy, give an assurance that you are very safe, like Datta Abhayam, Dattam Abhayam. One who has been assured. Abhaya Praptam. Abhayam Praptam. In Abhaya, person who has been assured, rather, assured of safety. Datta Abhayam, this is adjectival to the last word Arim. Datta Abhayam Arim, an enemy who has been assured of safety. First, he should be assured of his safety. We are not going to do anything to you. Don't be vihi, abhihi, like Upanishad says, abhihi, you say, and then savadhanaha. Carefully, being very, very careful. Savadhanaha vyasana asakta chetasam. Now this word you have to understand. Asaktam chetah, asakta chetah. Asakta means that which is attached to or involved. Several meanings you can. Asakti, interested, etc. Asaktam chetah, asakta chetah. Vyasaneshu asaktam chetah, vyasanasakta chetah, yasya saha vyasanasakta chetah. One whose mind is being involved or attached to all vices. Vyasana. Vyasana has many meanings. Several meanings are there. Vyasana is to throw also, throw away. Vyasana means bad practice, indulgence, etc., etc. But here only bad thing you have to take. Vyasaneshu asakta manasam. Vyasaneshu asakta manasam, vyasanasakta chetasam. Manasa chetasa both are same. Vyasanasakta chetasam. This is also an adjective, Visheshana padam. Kasya ripum. Dattabhayam ripum. Vyasanasakta chetasam ripum. Savadhanaha, being very careful. Marjara lubdhakavat. How should you attack your enemy? Marjara lubdhakavat. Marjaravat lubdhakavat. Marjaraha katham akramati. Where the cat, how does the cat attack its prey? Very slowly it comes. Savadhanaha marjaraha. Yesterday we studied nipatati. Simmaha shishurapi nipatati madamalina kapola bhittishu gajeshu. We studied that yesterday. Here savadhanaha marjaraha atra na savadhanaha marjaraha yatha nipatati mushakeshu evameva lubdhakaha nigudaha san. Hunter also hides himself. Savadhanaha yatha tatra jantun hinasti athava marayati tadvat savadhanaha bhutva arim nashayet. Samtishtan marjaravat samtishtan, standing like a cat. Then lubdhakavat samtishtan, standing like these two examples are given here. Like any cat family, even a tiger and a leopard also, before they leap to attack, how careful they are. Very, we can see that in National Geographic channel. Beautiful. So marjara lubdhakavat samtishtan nashayet arim. Arim nashayet. One should destroy his enemy either by in the name of service or in the name of doing business, giving them the assurance that you will be safe, and also making them involved in all wrong things, and seeing them involved in all vices. You should attack them very carefully, like a cat, like a hunter attacks its prey. Is it okay?
Yeah.
This is Shukra Niti. But Niti is fine. Huh? So evam अष्टनवतितमः श्लोकः त्रिभिः श्लोकैः सम्बद्ध श्लोकैः समाप्तः भवति. इदानीं नवनवतितमः श्लोकः 99th सचिव परीक्षा, सचिवानां परीक्षा करणीया. यू कैन रीड.
न परीक्ष्य महीपालः कुर्यात् सचिवमात्मनः.
सचिवमात्मनः
अमात्ये ह्यर्थलिप्सा.
अमात्ये ह्यर्थलिप्सा.
ह्यर्थलिप्सा च मंत्ररक्षणमेव च. पदच्छेदः. न अपरीक्ष्य महीपालः कुर्यात् सचिवम् आत्मनः. अमात्ये हि अर्थलिप्सा च मंत्ररक्षणम् एव च.
अन्वयार्थम्
महीपालः अपरीक्ष्य आत्मनः सचिवं न कुर्यात् अर्थलिप्सा मन्त्ररक्षणं च आत्मये एव भवति।
महीपालः राजा अपरीक्ष्य परीक्षाम् अकृत्वा न कृत्वा, अपरीक्ष्य नाम परीक्षाम् न कृत्वा आत्मनः विषये आत्मनः स्वस्य सचिवं न कुर्यात्, सचिवं न नियोजयेत्, सचिवं न कुर्यात् नाम नियोजयेत्। He should not appoint any minister without first examining him, properly examining him. न कुर्यात्। अर्थलिप्सा, अर्थस्य लिप्सा, अर्थानां लिप्सा, the desire to have money, अर्थलिप्सा, अर्थलोभः नाम, अर्थलोभः। अर्थलिप्सा मंत्ररक्षणं च अमात्ये एव भवति। The desire to acquire money and mantrarakshanam, mantra gopanam, mantra rahasya gopanam means secret protection of policies. Mantra here means policy, protection of policy. Like we say cabinet decisions are taken. There are so many matters are discussed, policies are, so they should not be leaked. Policy matter. Mantra rakshana matra rahasya gopanam mantranam rahasya alochana. याः याः रहस्य गुप्त आलोचनाः राज्य विषये भवन्ति ताः यदि बहिष्कृताः भवन्ति चेत् शत्रूणां तत्र उत्सव एव। सो मंत्र रक्षणं मंत्र गोपनं, सो प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द सीक्रेसीज च अमात्ये एव भवति, बिकॉज दीज टू थिंग्स आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन द मिनिस्टर। See, king alone cannot administer the whole thing. King, in consultation with the ministers, does everything. Even now it is the same thing. Prime Minister sits with the cabinet ministers and has a discussion. They take some decisions. If the decisions, secret, whatever they take, some policies are leaked out by anybody, so the Prime Minister should see that his ministers are all trustworthy. Examine before appointing anybody. So that is the point here. Arthalipsa mantrarakshanam cha ete dve amatye eva bhavatah. I mean, they are dependent on the minister. Amatye eva. On the amatya.
This was Arthalipsa. It's Arthalobha.
Desire, I'm sorry, not loba. Loba may not be correct here. Arthalipsa, arthasya icha. I said loba, na? May not be correct. Arthecha you can take. Lipsa, labdum icha. Labdum icha, lipsa. Bhoktum icha, bhubuksha. Like that. Lipsa. What other words? We have not studied such forms so far. Labdum icha, lipsa. Arthasya lipsa, artha lipsa. The desire to have money. I mean, making money. Well, I said something that was not necessary. Okay, you read the Bhavartha, Srinivas.
What is Atmanah? Kuryat Sachivam Atmanah.
आत्मनः सचिवम्, आत्मनः नाम राज्ञः भूपालस्य, महीपालः आत्मनः सचिवम्, his own minister, his minister, स्वस्य सचिवम्, आत्मनः means his own minister. महीपालः राजा आत्मनः सचिवम् कीदृशम् सचिवम् आत्मनः कीदृशं सचिवम् आत्मनः सचिवं कुर्यात्, कीदृशं पुरुषं आत्मनः सचिवं कुर्यात्. What type of man should a king make his minister? Then aparikshya atmanah sachivam na kuryat, here negatively. A king, without examining properly, should not appoint any person as his personal ministers. That is the only doubt now.
One second and also I didn't get problem.
What is that? Arthalipsa is one thing. Mantra Rakshanam is the two. These are dependent on Amatya. See, a country should earn money, na?
Yes.
Money, earning, business, and also secrecy of the planning.
Yeah.
They are dependent on the ministers only. So, without examining, no king should appoint his ministers. Clear?
Yes.
So, I think that Bhavartha will read and see the English translation.
Rajyadyashwarya praptihi yojana rakshanam cha sachivadhinam bhavati.
Okay, very finely said. Rajya Aishwarya Praptihi. Rajyasya Aishwarya. Aishwarya.
Rajyat.
No, Rajya.
Rajyad aishwarya praptihi.
Acha, it is that. Rajyat, okay, Panchami. Rajyat Aishwarya Praptihi Bhavati. Yasmat Kasmadapi Rajyat Aishwarya Praptihi Bhavedeva. Rajyam asti chet Aishwaryam tatra bhavet. Dhana Sampadana tatra bhavet. Praptihi. Yojana Rakshanam. That is Mantra Rakshanam. Mantram nama tatra, mantra nama yojana, plan, protection of the secret plans. Yojana rakshanam cha sachiva adhinam bhavati. Sachiveshu adhinam bhavati adharitam bhavati. Sachiveshu athava sachive ekavachanam. Sachive adhinam bhavati. It is dependent on the minister or the ministers. Therefore, Raja सम्यक परीक्ष्य
अतः राजा सम्यक परीक्ष्य एव
कमपि पुरुषं सचिवं कुर्यात्. अतः राजा सम्यक परीक्ष्य एव यं कमपि पुरुषं सचिवं कुर्यात्. Whomsoever he wants to make, he should make his minister. सचिवम कुर्यात नाम सचिवम योजयेत. सचिवम सचिवस्थाने योजयेत. That's clear. So English translation is also fine, no problem. Oh, there is Sambandha sloka 1, 2, 3, 4. No, one quotation is there. Can we go ahead?
Yeah. Na suhrut परमं मंत्रं भारतार्हति वेदितुम् अपंडितो वापि सुकृत पंडितो वाप्यनात्मवान्.
This is again Vidura Niti, same place. Yeah, na asukrut
paramam mantram
bharata arhati veditum.
अपंडितः वा अपि सुहृत् पंडितः
वा अपि अनात्मवान्. हे भारत, हे भारत, हे धृतराष्ट्र. विदुर से संबोधनम. हे भारत, ओ डिसेंडेंट ऑफ भरत. असुहृत्. Suhrut, opposite asukhrut. Asukhrut, one who is not a well-wisher, enemy. Sukhrud api, both are there here, you see. In the beginning, na asukhrut. Asukhrut. Then you have down sukhrut. He Bharata, na asukhrut, sukhrud api. Either enemy or a friend. Either a sukhrud, we can say enemy only then, no, who is not a well-wisher. Sukhrud is a well-wisher. Either a, I don't know what is the opposite word for well-wisher. Ill-wisher. We use that prayoga. Either a ill-wisher or a well-wisher. Suhrudva asahrud. Asahrud suhrudapi. Next. Apanditaha panditaha api. Either one is a scholar or a fool. Now you got it, na? Param mantram veditum na arhati. Param mantram veditum. He either these two, whether a friend or foe, or a learned man, unlearned man, does not deserve to know the secrecy. Param mantram, the top secrecy, top planning of the country. Na arhati. Till what time? Unless the point is anatmavan. Yadi suhrud asti chet atmavan bhavet. Anatmavan, whose mind anatmavan suhrud, anatmavan asuhrud, anatmavan panditaha, anatmavan apanditaha. Yadi purushaha anatmavan asti tarhi param mantram veditum gnatum na arhati. So, in order to know the top secrecy, one must be a atmavan, one must have his senses and mind in control. Who is atmavan? One who is a controlled man, self-controlled man. Atma nama manaha. So, unless one is jitendriyaha, he does not deserve to be knowing the final truth. Like atra vayam sthapayamaha. Shubham bhuyat.